ExtensionInstallForcelist Chrome Policy is a good example of how browser hijackers and other threats can use an actual Chrome policy to modify Chrome settings. All by itself, the ExtensionInstallForcelist Chrome policy is not malicious in any way. Administrators can use the policy to specify which extensions and applications can be installed automatically without the user's authorization. This policy can also list apps that the affected user cannot uninstall. Thus, browser hijackers and potentially unwanted programs that employ this policy may be able to resist removal. Therefore, if you're trying to remove a browser hijacker, but it does not go away, there's a good chance that it uses the ExtensionInstallForcelist Chrome Policy too. Probably the most frustrating thing about this policy is it can only be seen when users access certain Chrome settings. However, even if you access the Chrome policy settings, the list of apps in the policy section will look like gibberish to a regular user. This is because the apps are listed not by their actual names, but by their policy values, and so all the user sees are long and random strings of lowercase letters. Therefore, to remove the ExtensionInstallForcelist Chrome policy, users must consider resetting their browser setting to default. Resetting the browser should also delete the browser hijacker that added the policy in the first place. However, once the browser is clean, users should also consider scanning their system with an anti-malware tool, because you can never know what other threats might be lurking in the system's background. ExtensionInstallForcelist Chrome policy is not an actual security threat, so users have to remember how this policy gets added to their browser if they want to avoid it. Since this policy is often used by Mac browser hijackers, adware, and potentially unwanted programs, users should know what they can do to avoid those first. Browser hijackers often come bundled with freeware, or they reach users through pop-ups that users encounter on unreliable websites. If you review your web browsing habits and weed out everything that might lead you to dubious pages with harmful content, you should be able to avoid the annoying security threats that use the ExtensionInstallForcelist Chrome policy to take over your browser. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.